Welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this Maserati Ghibli V6 diesel automatic. Now the car's finished in the electric blue metallic paint and it's sat on the 20-inch must-have Maserati alloy wheels. Now they're a factory option in this age, and it's also got the red Maserati brake calipers. Wonderful, wonderful car these. We've sold many of these over the years, but we've never sold one in this colour, and I would say this is a colour that I would opt for personally. So externally we have, as I say, the 20-inch wheels with the Maserati brake calipers. Then looking down the car, I do not think there is a car which looks as good as this. These are a comfort coupe, so we have pillarless doors on the top, so we can get those lines of shall we say a sports coupe. Quad exhaust system at the back. It does have the sports exhaust system, so we can press the button in the car and it will then give you a nice burble at the back. Parking sensors front and rear and a reversing camera. The paintwork, as I say, just look at the fleck in that today. Absolutely wonderful paintwork. Maserati on the back quarters, chrome door handles, but a beautiful car. Put a private reg on it, gosh, and your friends will think you've won the lottery. Inside the vehicle we've got the full black leather interior. Internally this has got some very nice upgrades. So we've got heated seats in this one, we've got power folding door mirrors, they're also heated on the driver, 4 electric windows, the Maserati embossed sill plates, and then the full luxury black leather interior. The cabin is in absolute exceptional condition, a real testament to the last keeper's care. Now this car has got all the services at the Maserati dealer. Have a look on the advert and you'll see them all. It's only done 35,920 miles and it's got the second generation style entertainment system. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay is all on board. And then we have the full touch screen, so DAB radio, good sound system on these guys. We've got the media player, Bluetooth, we've got heated seats, as I say. Now that's a factory option. Climate control, obviously full SAT NAV, and then Bluetooth. When you select reverse gear, we get the nice big reversing camera there, and then everything is operated through the iDrive system. 2 Maserati keys, full book pack and full Maserati. Do like the Maserati clock, very similar to the obviously the Bentley clock, the Breitling. You can buy Maserati watches now as well. So we've got leather trimming on the steering wheel, cruise control, voice control. The paddles are nice as well, very large, you know, nice, easy to use paddles. Auto dimming mirror, but the centre console is in exceptional order. Lovely storage facility for everything you need is in there. Passenger side is again in wonderful condition. I'm not a smoker and I can tell this car has never been smoked in. All the book packs in the glove box. That is also, you can have your air conditioning being put into there also. But an absolute cracker. What a wonderful car. As I say, I've drove these. They're a brilliant car to drive. That sports exhaust system, which is, let me just put that on for you, which is there, sports exhaust, and then you've also got adjustable sports suspension, so you can have it as a comfort coupe or you can have it as a full-on blown racing car. So just take a look at that, listen to that. Very nice indeed. Boot space on these is huge. Electric boot as well. Just look at that, absolutely massive. Underneath there we've got the tyre inflation kit, never used also. So all in all, what a cracker. Maserati service from new. Take a look at the pictures on the service book, it's all on our website. 20-inch upgrade wheels, embossed red brake calipers, Maserati kit, probably the best colour you could buy one in. Nice mileage, loads and loads of miles left for fun in that car. But impress your friends with this, let me tell you, you would impress them, would you? So, 2 keys book pack, absolutely gorgeous. All our cars are HPI, all our cars come guaranteed, serviced, MOT'd if required. Give us a call if you've got a part exchange, we'll take that, no problem, or finance. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.